Hello. Still in performance. The last lecture we discussed about attendance. Now I want to discuss about the school subjects. School subjects is where you initially design or enter all the subjects that the school is offering at all levels. You click it, school subjects, or the subjects. If you want to add new subjects, you just click and add. Let me say Yoruba. The short code. YOR. The reason for this short code is because when sending SMS of the report sheet or the text to the parents, to shorten the number of characters that will be in the text message because of cost, we use the short code in such a way that the parents or the recipient of the SMS will still be able to know that this is the subject you're talking about. Then the subject category, is it a core subject or elective or vocal or optional, whatever. Then is it grade alone? You just grade it. It doesn't count with the report sheet. Subject like taekwondo might not be counted in the report. Continuous assessment might not be graded or something like that. So you save data. Yes. That's how to save it. Now, I also want to talk about the appraisal. Appraisal module is where you test or record the student appraisal. Appraisal like interpersonal relations skill, the attitude to work, peer cooperation with peer, relationship with other people, and neatness and other things that want to appraise the student on. And the scoring method is entered here. Appraisal method, appraisal scoring method. It can either be yes or no. Good, excellent, yes, and the weight here. And if it is yes or no scoring method, we have two scoring method. Yes or no, weight 1 or 0. Then poor to excellent method. If you have another one, you can add it to it. If you want to modify, you modify and click save. That's how to do the scoring method. Then after you had defined the scoring method, you want to create appraisal type. The appraisal type will be grouped. You have different groups. Affective disposition, punctuality, neatness, politeness, honesty, relationship with others, mental alertness, willingness to learn, spirit of teamwork, health, every other thing that you want to do. And this one belongs to one group. If you want to create another group, you click this one, and after you might have amended or had another group, you click save. That's about that. Now you go to, after you have defined the scoring method, the appraisal type, you want to appraise by class. That is, you want to appraise you want to assign the appraiser to the classes. Like primary, the kind of appraiser that they will use, you define it in classes, because you can have different appraiser group. For the one for lower primary might be different from the upper primary. This is where you define them. Thank you very much. And Lastly, in that category, you want to now score the student appraisal by class or by student. So by class, you load the affective, then next, you select the classes you want to appraise, maybe lower primary, then yes, these are all the students in lower primary that you want to appraise. You can now say, okay, you start rating them. Punctuality, these are the appraisal items. Punctuality, is it 5.5 or this is the maximum obtainable mark? 4, politeness, 5, honesty, 5, relationship with others, maybe 3, and you scroll like this, spirit of teamwork, 3, health, very healthy, 5, mental awareness, but you cannot select more than, score cannot be greater than marks obtained, maybe. So you put okay, go back 5 and delete. Yeah, that's given it 0 if you are not scoring it yet. This is how you go about it. And when you are through with everything, you can save it by clicking Save Record. It's already been saved. So you can export the template. When you first of all load the record, you can export templates. Export this template means that you want to move record to Excel format so that the person grading it can go and enter the record elsewhere and then later import it back to the system. Because when you have a lot of teachers wanted to enter their records simultaneously, this is a standalone application but has the export facility. So when you click the export template, it will export this record and into Excel. Then you can import back and into the system. Thank you very much.